Kicking off the day, understanding everyday English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very common phrase you might hear in everyday conversations: kicking off the day. This phrase is packed with energy and optimism, and understanding it can add a nice touch to your English communication skills. So, let's dive in and unravel its meaning and usage. To kick off, something means to start or begin something. It originally comes from sports, where a game starts by kicking off a ball, especially in football, or soccer, as known in the US. However, when we say kicking off the day, we're talking about starting our day in a particular way or with a specific activity. It implies beginning the day energetically or with enthusiasm, setting a positive tone for the hours ahead. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be used in everyday conversations. I love kicking off the day with a brisk walk. It really energizes me. Our team is kicking off the day with a quick meeting to plan our tasks. How do you like kicking off your day? I prefer starting with meditation. These examples show that kicking off the day can be followed by various activities, depending on what someone finds uplifting or energizing. Starting your day on a positive note can have a huge impact on your mood, productivity, and interactions with others. By kicking off the day with something you enjoy or find important, you're more likely to feel positive and motivated throughout the day. This phrase not only reflects the importance of a good start but also encourages sharing personal routines and tips for a fulfilling day. We hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, kicking off the day, with confidence. Remember, how you start your day can set the tone for the rest of it, so consider what activities help you kick off your day in the best way possible. Whether it's exercise, reading, or planning your day, finding your ideal morning routine can make all the difference. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Happy learning, and keep kicking off your days positively.